Hi legends, here at Maykey Kids, we know how important imagination is, and reading is one of the best ways to train your imagination. So today, I want to read you one of my favourite books from when I was a kid, Oscar Got the Blame by Tony Ross. This is Oscar. And this is Oscar's friend Billy. Oscar's mum and dad think Oscar made Billy up. You can't see Billy there, can you? Whenever Oscar talked about Billy, his mum and dad said, "Don't be silly." But Oscar and Billy were the best of friends, day and night. Sometimes Oscar let Billy have some of his dinner, but then had to eat it all himself. His mum's pushing it back in front of him. When Billy left little bits of mud around the house, Oscar got the blame. When Billy dressed the dog in Dad's things, Oscar got the blame. How angry does his dad look? When Billy put frogs in Granny's slippers, Oscar got the blame. When Billy made breakfast, Oscar got the blame. That looks like a crazy breakfast. Sausages in the kettle. When Billy washed the cat, Oscar got the blame. That cat does not look like a happy cat. And when Billy left the bathroom taps running, Oscar got the blame. Holy dooly, that's a lot of water. And Oscar was sent to bed without a story. "It's not fair," said Oscar. "Nobody believes in my friend Billy." "They never do," said Billy. Billy was real the whole time. Poor old Oscar. And Oscar was using his imagination the whole time as well. Thanks for reading my favorite book as a kid.